Dear friends, good morning. Welcome to another video. In this video, I would like to share a few thoughts on the theme Recipe for Happiness. The recipe for happiness includes a blend of a number of ingredients, such as not being judgmental, ability to forgive, and capacity for love. First, not being judgmental. Being judgmental strains relationships, breeds distrust, and makes you being distant from others. It stunts self-growth by avoiding self-reflection, as it creates a mental habit of looking outward with scrutiny rather than looking inward with curiosity and compassion. Being quick to judge can make you dismiss people and act impulsively, thereby shut the door of a possible meaningful opportunity even before it begins. Judgment often stems from an inner negativity, which, if nurtured, leads to a cycle of comparison, insecurity, and cynicism. Second, capacity to forgive. Forgiving the one who hurt you gives you emotional freedom, as it lets go resentment and bitterness and lightens the heaviness of your heart, thereby allows peace of mind to take root within you. Thus, forgiveness brings not only self-healing, but also better understanding, ability to be vulnerable, establishes deeper connections, and lets you build stronger relationships. As you realize that mistakes aren't the end of the road. Besides, your ability to forgive destroys grudge, brings mental clarity, and helps you focus on what really matters rather than being caught up in old hurts and pains. Forgiveness enhances your physical well-being as it reduces stress, lowers blood pressure, and improves your heart health, as your body reflects the weight your spirit carries. Forgiving makes you a stronger person, as it helps you to choose freedom over fury, compassion over control, even though you don't forget the person who hurt you and the situation of hurt. Third, capacity for love. When you experience love, you are healed and become resilient as you cultivate the strength to endure hardships, to rise after every fall, and to believe in something greater than the hurt and pain. Love encountered becomes, as it were, the fuel for greater purpose and motivation for being kind, caring, and reaching out to those in need. When you experience love, it helps you to grow through vulnerability, thereby leading to greater openness, trust, empathy, and intimacy. Hence, love in all its forms is the heartbeat of every meaningful connection. Whether it is tenderness between friends, the bond among family members, or romantic connection between partners. So, you want to be happy, take care not to be judgmental, be ready to forgive, and be a person who can not only receive but also reach out to others in love. Thank you for watching this video. May God bless you.